Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi Alba and today I'll be showing you my styling routine using the Denman brush and the John Frieda Dream Curls Defining Cream and Curl Mousse. I'll also show how I still get the voluminous and defined curls that I like because the defining cream is very lightweight and doesn't weigh down my curls at all. I used to finger coil my hair, but that can be very time consuming, and using the Denman brush helps me to achieve very similar curls in just half the time. So this is me with my clean dried hair after the shower, and so I'm just going to re-wet my hair using my water bottle, spray water bottle, and I'm just going to then remove excess water from the hair. It's best to apply products on damp hair, not dripping wet hair, otherwise it will take a really long time for you to diffuse or air dry your hair. And in this part, I like to just quickly detangle my hair using the Denman brush. This isn't really part of the styling process. And then I like to just brush my hair backwards just to make sure I'm detangling my hair in all directions, I guess. And then I like to part my hair through the middle. I like to take the curl defining cream, I just take a small amount, and I like to evenly distribute it throughout my whole hair. I don't section my hair for this part, I already have very thin hair, so I just like to evenly distribute it throughout my hair. And then if you're wondering why there's hardly any volume in the back of your hair, is because you are neglecting putting products at the crown of your head. So that's a really important tip if you want voluminous curls at the back. For the bottom parts of my hair, I like to section my hair into two sections and then just grab smaller sections and I pull the Denman brush away from the head. At the end of the hair, I like to twist the Denman brush forwards and then just grab the hair and just shake it a bit and just let my natural curls just form. So I don't scrunch the hair right away. I will do all of the sections first and then I will start scrunching. So I will do the exact same thing to the other side. I will brush and twist the Denman brush forward and then scrunch the hair section all together. So for the front and back sections of my hair where I need the most definition, I like to do a bit of the top down curls method and bring the hairs forward. So I pretty much do the exact same thing here. I will brush the sections and then I will twist the Denman brush at the ends. So as you can see, the curls have already formed, and so just to help with like the curl definition, I like to scrunch the hairs. Once I have done the whole thing throughout my hair, I like to flip my hair back over again and then look for small sections that aren't as defined when I use the Denman brush, and I will just quickly finger coil them, as I find finger coiling seems to be the best, and because some parts of my hair cannot easily be curled by the Denman brush, and so I will have to quickly go back and finger coil some of them.
Call me back.
So now I'm going in with the Curl Reviver Mousse, and I like to take quite a generous amount of this because I have low porosity hair and sometimes the moisture doesn't really get into my hair as easily, and so I feel the need to put quite a bit. And then I like to just scrunch the mousse into my hair. So after the mousse, I let my hair sit for about 30 minutes. If I have more time in the day, I'll let my hair sit for 2 hours and then I'll come back and show you how I diffuse my hair. So this is my hair 30 minutes after air drying, and now I'm going on to how I diffuse my hair. I am using the VS Saison hair dryer and it comes with a diffuser attachment, and I use cool air on the lowest speed. So I like to start off by just using the diffuser and not touching my hair at all. I just let my curls dry naturally.
I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time. Call me back.
And then about 80% dry, that's when I increase the speed of the diffuser and increase the heat just to medium heat. And from like 30 seconds to 1 minute, I'm going back and forth on medium heat and cool heat. And lastly, I like to look for curl clumps and just separate these curl clumps just to make my hair look bigger and just add more volume. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're still contemplating on getting the Denman brush, I highly recommend it. It saves you so much time instead of doing other methods like finger coiling. Also, I will link in the description where you can find these products. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button and follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.